Hello everyone, welcome to Orthopedia. So this is a series of videos which is called as the Ortho Oddballs, and what it will contain are the basically a bunch of questions which are unusual and which are less frequently asked, but they are at the same time they are very important because they are mainly important for the basic science paper and the recent advanced paper. And I know studying and learning about these questions is a might seem like a slight waste of time. So that is why I'm there to simplify that for you and give you a straightforward answer, which would be easily good for a 15 mark question. Although these questions are only asked for 10 marks as either a part of a long question or a short note itself. And the answer that I'm giving you will fetch you great marks comfortably. So, without wasting further time, let's start with the first question, that is AI in orthopedics. And before starting with the answer, I want to tell you that all the answers should be written in a proper layout as it makes it easier for the examiner when he is marking. The examiner does not care that much what is written in the body, and they care more about how it is presented. So always present your answer well. For AI in orthopedics, the first heading is the introduction, where you will just define what is artificial intelligence. So it refers to the simulation of human intelligence by machines. So this is a line that you can mention in the introduction. Then you need to go for the components. You'll mention the components of AI, and there are four components: machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and robotics. This is one line description about each component that you can write. Then the third heading is the most important one, that is applications of AI in orthopedics. You can divide it into the preoperative applications, the intraoperative, and the postoperative applications. And this is how I have written. First thing is imaging and diagnostic, which falls under the preoperative application. You can mention how AI is used in each of these modalities: X-ray, CT, and MRI. It is used for fracture detection, it is used for tumor identification, and it is used for arthritis grading. Then AI is also used for surgical planning and navigation, which comes under the intraop application. So you can make 3D models using AI according to the patient specification. Then AI is also used in robotic assisted surgery, and there are two systems that you need to learn. One is the Mako, which is used for arthroplasty, and one is the ROSA, which is used for spine. Then the next application would be predictive analysis, and this comes under the post-op application. Here we can make prognostic models using AI, which can tell us about fracture healing, and we can also estimate the implant longevity in the patient using AI. And then there is a rehabilitation and patient monitoring, which also comes under post-op application of AI. We can make variables which the patient can wear, and we can monitor the post-op rehab. And then there is AI chatbots, which can be used for patient education and giving them post-op instructions. Then you just need to mention about the advantages of AI in orthopedics, which includes accuracy, efficiency, cost effectiveness, and personalization, that we can customize all the treatments according to the patient. And then you need to mention the limitations of AI, that it is data dependent, there is a certain bias which can be introduced, there is high initial setup cost, and of course there are ethical concerns. So these are the headings in which you will write this answer. And if you write these headings like introduction, components, then there is applications, dividing the applications in three: advantages and limitations. This is more than enough for examiner to give you very good marks. And these answers that I'll be giving you in Ortho Oddballs are either from reference books from where I have studied, some of is from the net, and some might be AI generated after proper reference checking. So don't worry about don't worry about the source and all. It is properly reference checked, and you can just go ahead with writing the answer. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. and I have attached the PDF of the this answer as a document in the Google Drive. The link to the Google Drive is there in the description. You can access it and study and revise whenever you like. Okay, thank you.